So which of the following is not sinus rhythm criteria? So because the arrhythmia is a rhythm other than normal sinus rhythm. So varying PR interval, constant PP cycle, constant R interval, constant rate more than. So PR interval is also constant in sinus rhythm. So varying PR interval may not constitute sinus rhythm. So here we are giving you an ECG to diagnose tachycardia. So here the tachycardia is a narrow QRS. So our heart rate is more than 100, narrow QRS, and it is regular because RR interval is constant. So you must see whether you have a P wave in front. Yes, I have a P wave in front. So once you have a P wave in front, look at L1, which is upright. AVR, it is L3, and it is biphasic in V1. So the configuration and the width and the duration of P wave is looking like sinus. So although it is preceded by QRS, P wave is crucial. The P wave looks like sinus, so this is likely to be a sinus tachycardia.